Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this, hit the subscription button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. So here I am back with a DBMS mini project. It's not a mini project, but you can call it as a mini project as it consists of many responsive things. So basically it is a web-based application. So let me type localhost. So the application name is LifeCare. So as you can see, here you can see the nav icon also. It is also known as fav icon. You can observe I have also included the buffer. So as you can see, here I have also included some animations and transitions. It's a hospital record management system. And next line comes welcome to LifeCare. This is a fully responsive web application, or you can call it website. And finally, it's a DBMS mini project, and it is designed by myself, Nayas. So let's start with the first line. So this is basically the application logo. As you can see, we can directly call from here. As you can see, we can call from using people, Microsoft people, or directly we can call by the laptop. So next, here comes the mail. If I click here, it asks me to directly mail here. So let's come back. So the timing is daily 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. So this is basically a general outlook. Here it comes with home, about us, services, contact, authentication, and emergency. So let's see one by one. About us, services. Service is nothing but appointment, and what are all the services available here. Here I have just used lorem ipsum dummy text, and next comes the contact, and emergency goes like this. Later I will explain how authentication is there. So let's check it emergency. So in case of emergency, we need not any login or sign up. So just we can give the testing. Let me give the first name as testing and the second name as tester, and let me give age 35 and city. Let me give my city and address, Chitradurga and Jalilingappa layout. Let me give you the landmark stadium, phone number. It's a dummy phone number. Here you can observe when I click on submit, it will show data upload successful, that is it is stored in the database. So you can see it is a marquee text. So your request is accepted, the ambulance is on its way to your landmark. So when I hover on here, you can see there is a phone number hidden here, you can call it, and an email hidden here. So now let me click on done. So it will come back to the main website, that is main page. Here I have included up arrow button, so we can go straight to the upwards. So now let us see the authentication. So here I have kept login, sign up, and management. So let us create a sign up form. So since we are creating a new account, so let us go on sign up. So here you can see the logo of the web application. Let me give the first name as YouTube and last name as YouTuber, and email as yuto@gmail.com, and let me create a password. and let me confirm a password. And as soon as I click on sign up, here the data upload successful, and when I click on OK, it asks for login me. So I have given yoto@gmail.com and the password is like this. And when I click on login, here you can see welcome yoto@gmail.com. Before it was not like this. Here we are getting some more options like doctors and logout. Before it was like authentication, now it is logout. So let's see about us. You have already seen. Let us get an appointment. Before this, let's see the doctors who are available here. So this is clinic owner and internal disease and orthopedic expert, Dr. Tom, Dr. Jerry. So here you can see the management. It says something stuff, and here are testimonials, and I have also included the map and a footer, as you can see here. So let me quickly go up and let's get an appointment. So when I click on book appointment, so it comes to this page, get an appointment. So the first name is YouTube and the second name is YouTuber, and the email ID is yoto@gmail.com. Let me give age as 21 and time I have set it as PM, that is I want to come in between afternoon and night. So let us give the date about December 5th, and symptoms let us give the cold, and the doctor name as Dr. Tom, and let us give a message. It is testing at just give us testing. So when I click on submit, as you can see, data upload successful. So when I click on OK, I will be back to the page. So this is how the authentication worked. So let me get back. So you can see that we have fixed an appointment. So let us log out from here. You will observe that it will again ask for authentication. When I click on authentication, here again we have this form. So management verification, management authentication. Let us verify this. So here I have created two portals. This is doctor portals and management portal. So let us give the doctor portal. Let the Dr. Tom get his verification. So when I click on verify, here you can see the doctor has got our appointment, that is YouTube, YouTuber, and etc thing. So doctor can edit it, or he just can know whose appointment is there. So let us check another authentication, management portal. So here management portal is given for 3%, that is for manager and the boss and a techie person. So let us give the password. So when I click on verify, here the admin, here is the admin. The management is itself a admin. So he will check out the sign up form and appointments, what are the appointments have taken, and email subscribers. As you can see here, I have also included one email subscription. Here you can see Life Care. This project is done by Mohammad Nayaz, that is myself, third year B, subject DBMS, subject code is 18CSL F58, and contact I am from SJM Institute of Technology, that is from Chitradurga, and my email ID, my phone number, and subscription. Let us give a subscription, YouTube yoto@gmail.com. When I click on submit, that is post, so data upload successful, and I'm back with here. So when I check it in the admin's page, here you can see yoto@gmail.com, the subscription has been taken. So this was my application, that is DBMS mini project. Hope you like this. If you want the source code, go and check in the description. Thank you. Now let us see how it is responsive website. So basically this is a basic type of responsive. This is just a scrolling, and when I switch on to this mode, let us go step by step. So this is a desktop view. You can observe this, and this is before going to the next view, let us see. This is a desktop view. So check it out how it looks. So next let me show you the tab view. So this is a mini laptop view. So you can check it out here. The arrangement has changed, the font size, the image size has been shrinked. So next comes the tab size. So you can check out the difference from this resolution to this resolution. This bar has been came here. This is a tab view or tablet view. So as you can see, this is a tablet view. So next comes the mobile view. So the mobile view comes like this. From the right side, search button is there, about us, appointments. So as you can see here, everything is arranged step by step as per a mobile. So this website web application is completely responsive. Hope you like this video. Hit the subscription button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video.